This is a hotel review of my stay at Nala Hotel in Innsbruck, Austria. If you're looking for a beautiful hotel that's within walking distance to everything in Innsbruck, this review is definitely for you. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently on a trip through Austria, we stayed in the beautiful town of Innsbruck at Hotel Nala. We chose this hotel for its location, which was walking distance to all the main sites in Innsbruck, including the famous Golden Roof. As we were road tripping as well, we needed a hotel with parking facilities. Once we checked into Hotel Nala, we parked our car and headed up to our room. First impressions were really great. The room felt very spacious. We had bedside tables with plugs on either end. The bathroom was semi-open and felt a little compact, but it did have a modern feel. There was a hairdryer and a few extra toiletries. The room had a separate toilet to the shower area. Our room also had a few extra touches. This included a coffee machine and a small fridge. We also found a safe. There was a separate area to hang our jackets, and we had a large TV in front of our bed. And just under that was a small seating area. The room also had robes, extra pillows, and blankets. But my favourite part of the room was definitely the large window that looked onto the Austrian Alps. Now it's time for us to explore the rest of Hotel Nala. The hotel had a few extra facilities as well, which included a fitness centre. There was some private spaces to relax. We found a gym and a sauna. This hotel had a beautiful garden area as well. We had a great stay at Hotel Nala in Innsbruck. With its spacious rooms and its perfect location, we definitely would stay here again. We hope you enjoyed watching our experience staying at Hotel Nala in Innsbruck. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.